what is your sweet spot for minutes on your videos? Like, what's a good time for attention span for your clients? And are different markets different time?
Yes, so the question was, what is the sweet spot in terms of how long your video should be? And yes, it will be totally different in terms of your market and attention spans, all that kind of thing. In the beginning, YouTube preferred short and sweet, or like the audience preferred short and sweet videos. But now what's really getting rewarded are longer videos. People really, it's almost like people are creating like short films and stuff and episodic videos and stuff. That doesn't say that you have to do that, but it basically means that however long it takes you to give the value that you want to give in that video, take that time. Don't be forced to think that you have to keep it under 3 minutes or something like that. That might be for like a promo video, but for YouTube, you can take longer to film that video.
The video that you saw with the Etsy, the one that earned $4,000, that was about a 20-something minute video. It was a very dry subject of her just going into Paint, explaining the fee process on Etsy. Like, she's literally just making it easier for people to understand, and people love that video. So it doesn't need to be complicated, and if you are providing value, people will watch. And people now, like, everything is documentary style, film style, so people are on YouTube for hours and hours at a time. So as long as you're teaching what you need to teach and you're not bullshit on camera, then people will watch you and they'll be attracted to your personality.